Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where system restore failed while copying, restoring mounting registry, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The second one is to restart the volume shadow copy service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the volume shadow copy service. Okay. Wait a minute. Yes, this one. Right click on it and make sure that it's started. If it's started, then still restart it. And the last one is to perform a clean boot. Why? Because a lot of third-party software products will impact the system restore process. So here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply and then on OK and then finally restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.